All right, we're going to talk about our Service Hub feature of the week, which is the Customer Agent, and we're specifically talking about the handoff. And these have just become better over time. I feel like every week it keeps getting better. So what I think you need to be aware is these handoffs. I'm just going to talk about it in terms of like they've changed the whole way it looks, but it talks about training. So it's got actions, guidelines, and human handoff. And I think if you're putting in actions and guidelines, it'll actually just tell you if certain things need to go into the human handoff. So it is actually really fascinating, Craig. It actually verifies everything, and if there are duplication, it'll say that it can't do it in a particular spot and won't let you proceed. So it's verifying all of these instructions before you can actually save and publish it. So, but in this particular example, we want to make sure that we've actually got our human handoff guidelines correctly. So things like when people say, I want to chat with support, talk to support, I want to hand over to support. Can someone call me? I want to text someone. I want to talk to a human, or I want human support. These are some of the things that you just need to be aware of, and you need to be explicitly and put it in. So,
and I think another one that it handles, I don't know if it used to handle this, but if you run out of credits, HubSpot credits, it'll actually go to handoff, which is kind of a fault because I think what
it didn't used to, Craig. I think it maybe is doing it now because
it used to just bomb out before.
Correct. Yes.
Whereas now it'll go to handoff. Yeah. So definitely want to set this up.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I'd love if it ran out of credits and you didn't want to use any more credits to just turn itself off.
Yeah, that's the thing we do want. Just disappear. Don't
disappear.
Even show.
That's right.
Actually, you know what? I wonder. One of the things I'm getting off topic here, and one of the things that you can't really query,
yes,
is system properties. You know, like global properties. You can't kind of build a segment or any kind of workflow or action around. No, it always has to be based on an object.
Yes,
and they're normally like CRM objects. They're not kind of portal objects like permissions. You can't kind of query the permissions object or something like that within HubSpot. Maybe you can do it via the API, but not within. But these are the kind of things like you can't kind of query, oh, what's my billing? Where's my credits left? And then trigger an action like turning on or off for a tool. So that'll be interesting in the future because I would imagine they would try and surface some of those things later. So yeah, that'll be interesting to see. Anyway.
And maybe there is a trigger in future just in how the deployment happens, Craig, where you can turn off the agent if it runs out of credits.
Well, it'd be kind of be like where I'd like to use it is in targeting, even with forms. You know how you can have targeting on forms. Yes. You can say, oh, if this page, that, or, you know, these things include and exclude. Or with the customer agent, there'd be almost like a targeting, that kind of thing. If they're out of credits, in credits, all that kind of stuff.